My Golden Week 2008 on May 3rd. Father, mother, little sister, my grandmother, grandfather, and I do field work in grandmother and grandfather field. We tired on May 5th. Mother, father, little sister, my father, friend, and I do barbecue. It's rainy, so under express we do barbecue under expressway. We eat barbecue meat, barbecue fish, and barbecue vegetable. It's yummy.
Great.